Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and lots of giveaways for the month of December. So I always do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. So for the month of December, it is the Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding palette. I'll put a link that takes you to the video, talks about how to enter this. I also have a couple other giveaways going on as well. One of them is the Tati Beauty palette, and I've got that on right now. So make sure that you go and check the description box for how to enter all of my different giveaways. Number one rule is that you must be a subscriber to my channel, and I do check. So let's talk a box of style. It is a box that is curated by Rachel Zoe. It's one of the more expensive boxes. It's $99 and it ships out seasonally. So this is the winter box. So let's find out and see what's in here. I do know that there's supposed to be 5 different items in here valued at over $400. $400. So, and I do have a code for you guys. So if you want $15 off your first box, then I've got a link for you in the description box down below. It helps you out, it kind of helps me out a little bit. So all the products come neatly wrapped in tissue paper. It says, "Hello, gorgeous." I love storing things in these boxes because it's magnetized. I'm seeing lots of good things. So the first item I'm so excited about, you guys. This is the Madison Luxe Layer Kimono. How pretty is this? Retails for $150. I'll put a picture of it up in just a second. I'm not going to take it out of here because I am planning on giving this as a gift to somebody. And I couldn't find much information about it other than it's 100% polyester. You either could get a small medium, which fits sizes 0 to 8, or a large extra large, which fits sizes 10 to 20. So I'm excited to give this one as a gift. I'm so excited by all the stuff in this box. So this is the Andrea Fohrman Diamond Pendant Necklace. Cute little velvet pouch. This retails for $200. And yes, I said diamonds, ladies. So yes, it's pretty dinky and pretty small, but yes, those are diamonds. And how stunning and gorgeous is this? Love it. So this is a genuine diamond pendant, gold-plated sterling silver. It's a 16-inch necklace with a 2-inch extender. Cannot wait. Here's a product I've heard a lot about. This is the Estée Lauder Revitalizing Supreme Global Anti-Aging Cell Power Cream. Here's what the packaging looks like. Pretty. That's what it kind of looks like on the inside. And I'm just going to rub a little bit here. I think this will be so good. Doesn't really have a scent. So good to use in the evening. Love it. So a little bit about what it says. It does retail for $55. It's a multi-benefit moisturizer with moringa extract. Help boost skin's natural collagen with antioxidants. Help smooth and firm while also hydrating. I need the smoothing and firming. That's all I can get, and it's 1 ounce. Ooh, this smells divine, you guys. This is the Starry Night Breathe Under the Stars Great Basin National Park Ethics Supply Company Fireside and Starlight Candle retails for $38. It's 10 ounces. It's 55 plus hours of burn time, infused with essential oils and hand poured in the US. This smells so good. I wish they had smell-o-vision, you guys, so you guys could really smell this. Something about the smell makes me want to like wrap up in a warm, cozy blanket in front of the fireplace. I like it. From Lorac and Rachel Zoe is the Hollywood Glamour mini palette in the shades of Black Tie. Retails for $15. And you did have your choice on this. You could have gotten either the Effortless Glamour, which is more of a warm tone look, or the Black Tie, which is more cool shades. And does this scream New Year's Eve or what? Holidays? Yes, please. You guys, this contains 100% certified authentic diamonds for a brilliant shine. Ah, love it. It does look like we got a little bonus from Chanel. It is the Le Volume de Chanel Mascara. I do a mascara review series on this channel, so make sure to look out for this. And then there is also a sample of the Chanel Gabrielle Essence as well. It smells so good. So the value of this box was $458. $458. Yes, I know it was more expensive at the $99, but you still get a really good deal. I really liked everything in here. What did you guys think was your favorite? If you liked this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me when you like, subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. Just hit that subscribe button twice and that'll turn on your notifications for you. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.